Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and today we're going to make a meat pie. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, and super low carb, super healthy, super clean, and you can lose weight all day long doing it. So let's get started. First, what I do is I use either the skinny or the garlic bread mix. Today I'm going to choose to do the skinny. And again, you can go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and buy the mixes in individual servings, or you can buy a big bulk serving like this that's a 20 serving, okay? You put a 1/4 cup in a cereal bowl, you add a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Guys, this right here is 20 grams of protein. This right here alone is 20 grams of protein prepared, okay? And it's only got about 3 net carbs in here. Just look at the nutrition label. I'm gonna spray the Dash Express, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on here, okay? I'm gonna wear my gloves to spread it out. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. Here's what I'm gonna show you. Now I buy, instead of meat, I always buy 93% lean turkey, and I try to season my turkey to make it taste like beef. This here that you can get online as well. So what I do for every pound of lean turkey, I put just under a tablespoon of this in there, okay? Now I like my stuff like really seasoned, so if you don't like it too salty or it's too seasoned for you, you can always cut back on this, okay? But that's what I do. For every pound of meat, I usually do about a tablespoon of this. And what I did here is I made turkey and I sauteed onions and mixed the onions with the meat. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the meat here in the middle. What I should have did maybe is, so I'm gonna do this, and now I'm gonna fold, and now I got a delicious meat pie, okay? And I'm just gonna pat it so that it's all stays intact and is like one piece. Guys, this is what I'm saying. These mixes really are a meal replacement. And we're gonna close it and give it a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna flip it over now. See, the bottom always cooks a little bit more than the top. And then we'll give it another minute and be right back. Okay guys, here's the finished product. A delicious meat pie. Look at that. It's so yummy, it's all cooked. You can eat away. Talk about comfort food. Talk about delicious comfort food. And hot. It reminds me of when I was younger and my grandma used to make meat pies, but those meat pies used to make us gain hundreds of pounds. This will make you lose weight, guys. Okay? Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. If you don't live nearby, just make sure you go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can place an order there, and you can click on recipes and see a bunch of different recipes here. If you just go in the search bar and type the word pie, you will see the meat pie in there, okay? Thanks for watching. God bless you.